Here I'm making a pop-up book. First I'm going to fold my paper hamburger style. Doesn't matter if there's something on the back, so I could even use a piece from the scrap bin. From the folded side, I'm going to draw pairs of lines that are the same length. I've got one medium pair and one short pair. I cut them from the folded side, and then I fold them inside out, so now they're on the inside. I'm reversing these folds. I got to close the book and crease it from the opposite side as well. And now when I open it, I have these two little shelves that I'm going to attach some extra stuff to. Now for background. The stuff in the background is going to go above the line. The stuff below the line is in the foreground and the middle ground. It's got lots of details. This is a landscape. Now I've got my paints, although you could color in with something else. I'm outlining my shapes before I color them in. I go slow on the outlines and quicker in the larger spaces. I use a small brush for small spaces and a large brush for larger spaces. Each time I get a new color, I wash my brush. I found these in the collage, and I'm going to do a darker line around the outside so that it's easier to color in and so that I've got a look of shading. Then I'm going to use the smaller pencils for those tinier shapes and smaller details. I decided not to paint these because the spaces were so small. Here I've got a marker on dry painting to go over my original pencil lines and make them show up better. Those outlines really make it stand out. Now I'm going to glue my dinosaurs to the tabs, making sure they're not too low, and fold it shut again. Here's the back outside page. You could put multiple pop-up pages into a single book, but I've only got one. I put dots of glue, and when I'm done, I close the glue by twisting the top part till there's no gap. No gap between the nozzle and the base. Alright, I got my dots of glue. I'm going to put it inside there with the cover on the outside. I could definitely add some words to my cover, and now I've got my pop-up book. Look at those layers of space in my landscape. Try multiple pages.